Okay, so today we'll start from question number 9. Okay, from question number 9 today we'll start it. So last 7 was done. Okay, last 7 was done. So today we will start from question number 9. Where's the mouse? File Fakira, Raunak Malik, Sheikh Azad. Okay, so class 12 math. Okay, so we'll start from question number 9. So we have to find the differentiation of x to the power sin x plus sin x to the power cos x. Okay, so let's differentiate this expression. So what we will do, first we will consider y equal to u plus v, where u equal to the first term x to the power sin x and v equal to the second term sin x to the power cos x. Now differentiate this expression with respect to x. So if I differentiate it with respect to x, so dy dx will be du dx plus dv dx. Let it is a equation number 1. Clear? Now if anyhow if we can calculate du dx and dv dx from these two expression, and if we put them in equation number 1, we have the value of dy dx. Clear? So first consider this u equal to x to the power sin x, and we want to calculate the derivative of u. Now can you tell me in which way we can do it? Okay, I am telling. First take log. So taking log both sides, we have log u is equal to log of x to the power sin x, log of x to the power sin x, which implies log u is equal to, now we know sin x will be sin x into log of x, sin x into log of x. Now do the differentiation. Yes, someone has sent me the solution, Shreya. Okay, you just differentiate this y equal to u plus v. Now sin x log x, okay, du dx 1 by u du dx sin x into d of log x cos x plus x. Next page, sir. V equal to log of cos x log. Yes, yeah, you are correct. Sir, go to chat box. No, sir, just go to chat box. Shreya, absolutely right. Okay, so if I do the differentiation, look, this is actually product of two functions. One function is sin x and one function is log x. Okay, so if I do the differentiation with respect to x, so 1 by u du dx is equal to, now this is the first function, make it constant, so sin x into derivative of log x. So derivative of log x is 1 by x plus, now log x is constant, log x into derivative of sin x, which is equal to cos x. Now calculate du dx. So du dx is equal to sin x by x plus cos x log x into u, and put the value of u as x to the power sin x. So this is the value of du dx. Okay. Now from here calculate dv dx. Okay, so you can see I don't have space right now, so we have to rub it. I am rubbing from here. I am rubbing it from here. Rub it also. So v equal to sin x to the power cos x. Now again taking log, we have log v is equal to log of sin x to the power cos x. Apply the formula of log. So log v will be, this cos will be comes here, so cos x into log of sin x. Now look, this is also product of two functions. First function is cos x and the second function is log of sin x. Now again differentiate it with the formula d dx of u into v. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, we have 1 by v dv dx is equal to, now make it fixed, cos x into derivative of log of sin x. So derivative of log of sin x will be 1 by sin x into cos x plus, now make this term fixed, log of sin x into derivative of cos x. We know derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay. So from here calculate dv dx. So this is cos square x by sin x minus sin x into log of sin x into v, and value of v is sine to the power cos x. So now look, du dx is known, dv dx is known. Put these two value into equation number 1. Equation number 1 was dy dx is equal to du dx into dv dx. Okay, so dy dx is equal to, when from 1, du dx means this sin x by x plus cos x into log x into x to the power sin x plus this expression, that is cos square x by sin x minus sin x into log x into sin x to the power cos x. So this is this huge expression is the answer of this question. Now tell me, have you understood or you have any problem? So show me the candidate list. Orpita, Payal, Shreya, Srijita, Ajad. Okay. So students, have you understood or you have any problem? No problem, sir. Very good. Okay. So then we can go to next question. So I am skipping question number 10 and solving question number 11. Okay. Okay. So write question number 11 and solve it by similar way. Question number 11. So the question is, find the differentiation of x cos x to the power x plus x sin x to the power 1 by x. Now we have to differentiate this expression. Sir, give me 5 minutes. Okay, Shreya, do it yourself. And after solving, just send me the clicks. I will check your problem. Okay, and for the other. So again, we are considering this term as u and this term as v, second term. So where u means this total expression x cos x to the power x, and v means the second expression x sin x to the power 1 by x. Okay. Now differentiate this with respect to x. So dy dx will be du dx plus dv dx. This is our equation number 1. We will calculate derivative of u and derivative of v, and then we will put them on equation number 1. Clear? So now take u, this expression, and calculate the derivative. So u equal to x cos x whole to the power x. Now taking log we have take log and find the differentiations. Cos x log x cos x log x cos x log x cos x. Okay, second page. dv dx sin x. Yes, correct. Yes, Shreya, very good. Very good, Shreya. Okay, now taking log, we have log u is equal to, so it will be log of x cos x to the power x. Now in next line this x will be comes here. So log u equal to x into log of x cos x. Now calculate the derivative of this. So 1 by u du dx is equal to, now let this is the first function, make it constant, into derivative of this. So derivative of this will be 1 by x cos x into derivative of this. This is also product of two functions. So first function, second function fixed into derivative of first function, which is 1, plus first function fixed and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, plus now make the second function fixed, log of x cos x into derivative of x, which is equal to 1. Clear? So now do a little calculations and then multiply. So from here we have du dx is equal to, now look, this x and this x will cancel each other. So cos x minus x sin x divided by cos x plus log of x cos x into value of u, and value of u equal to this x cos x whole to the power x. So this is the value of du dx. Okay, up to this, do you have any problem? Show me the candidate list one. Candidate list. Where's Sheikh Azad? Let, okay, leave it. Up to this, do you have any problem? Du dx, up to du dx. Payal, Srijita, Orpita, anyone, any problem? No, sir. Okay. So now calculate dv dx. Okay, I am rubbing this portion, dv dx. So v equal to this, v equal to x sin x to the power 1 by x. Now we have to find out the differentiation of v with respect to x. So similar way, taking log, we have log v equal to log of x sin x whole to the power 1 by x. So in next line, this power x will be put, you can put it here, 1 by x. Okay. Now differentiate it with respect to x. So 1 by v dv dx is equal to, so let this is the first function, make it constant, into derivative of this x log of x sin x. So derivative of log of x sin x is x sin x into derivative of x sin x, which is first function into derivative of sin x plus second function into derivative of x, which is equal to 1. So from here dv dx will be x cos x plus sin x by x square into sin x into the value of v, which is equal to x sin x to the power 1 by x. So this is the value of dv dx. Now du dx is known, dv dx is known, put them into the equation number 1, we have the answer. Okay. So just put them into that equation number 1, we will have the answer. Just sum of this plus this. Okay. So now let us move to next question, question number 12. Now question number 12. Question number 12 says that find the dy dx of the function given in the exercise 12 to 15. Okay. So first question is x to the power y plus y to the power x is equal to 1. From here we have to calculate dy dx. Clear? Okay. So let us consider u is equal to x to the power y and v is equal to y to the power x, and this substitute this value of u and v in the main equation, equation number, this equation. So from here we have u plus v is equal to 1. Now if I differentiate it with respect to x, we have differentiating with respect to x, we have du dx plus dv dx is equal to 0. Let this is our equation number 1. Clear? Now take this value u equal to x to the power y and calculate the value of du dx. So u equal to x to the power y. Now from here calculate the value of du dx. Okay, I am giving you du dx log, taken log, so dx plus, okay, is equal to minus, okay, very good step. Okay, students, tell me what is the value of du dx. Please tell me the value of du dx. Calculate it and solve it. I am still waiting for your answer. I hope you can solve it. Can't you? No, not Shreya. No, you have sent the solution. Na? I am not asking from you. You have sent the solution. I have seen your problem solution. I am asking for the other students. What is the value of a du dx? Candidate list, candidate list. Orpita, Payal, Srijita, solve it quickly. Can't you do that? Okay, I'm doing myself. Okay, so differentiating with respect to u, we have 1 by u into du dx is equal to. Now look, this is actually product of two functions. One is y and one is log x. So if I differentiate it with respect to y, so first function let y, which is fixed, into derivative of log x. And we know derivative of log x is 1 by x, plus now make second function fixed, log x, into derivative of y with respect to x, which is dy dx. So from here the value of du dx will be y by x plus log x into dy dx. Yes, Payal has seen 1 by x log x dy dx. Exactly, Payal, very good. To the power u, and value of u is x to the power y. Very good, Payal. So this is the value of du dx. Similar way, try to calculate the value of dv dx. Okay, I am rubbing this. Try to calculate dv dx. So v was y to the power x, I think, y to the power x. So taking log both side, we have log v equal to x log y. Now differentiate it with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, we have d 1 by v into dv dx is equal to, so first function fixed into derivative of second function, which is 1 by y dy dx, plus now make the second function fixed, log y into derivative of first function, derivative of x, which is equal to 1. That means dv dx is equal to x by y dy dx plus log y into v, means y to the power x. So dy dx, dv dx are all known. Now put these two value into equation number 1. The equation number 1 was, I think, from equation number 1 we have, I think equation number 1 was du dx plus dv dx is equal to 0. Now put the value of du dx and dv dx in this equation. So we have y by x plus log x into dy dx into x to the power y plus plus this x by y dy dx plus log y into y to the power x is equal to 0. Now, from here we have to calculate the value of dy dx. So, first remove the bracket and then multiply this expression within the bracket by x to the power y. We have, look, it will be y by x into x to the power y plus x to the power y log x into dy dx plus, from here it will be x by y into y to the power x into dy dx plus this is y to the power x log y is equal to 0. Now, look, there are 4 terms 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 terms, 2 terms containing dy dx. So, from these 2 terms take dy dx common and send the other 2 terms on the right hand side. So, if I take dy dx common from these 2 terms, it will be x to the power y into log x plus y to the power x into y by into x by y. Okay, that will be equal to minus y to the power x log y minus y by x into x to the power y. Now, from here find dy dx, which is equal to, okay, from this side we are taking minus common. So, y to the power x log y plus y by x into x to the power y by x to the power y log x plus y to the power x into x by y. So, this is the answer, a huge expression, isn't it? Thanks so much. Okay, so students, tell me, do you have any problem? Have you understood? Because the questions are quite lengthy but very easy. If you just solve the problem with proper way, you will have the answer. Yes sir, understood. Okay, so okay, Srijita, yes sir, very good. So in a day we are actually solving 2 questions. Obviously questions are very large, very long. Okay, so due to time is over our, okay, so students, due to lack of time we can't solve more problem. You can see the problem are very large. So the remaining problem we will solve in my next day. Okay, and you try to solve question number 13, 14 and 15 by yourself, because the problem is quite similar. Okay. Okay, so see you next day. Bye. Bye bye.